Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm going to show you guys how to make the classic Thai mango sticky rice. It's the most popular Thai dessert. In Thai we call ข้าวเหนียวมะม่วง There are four components of the dessert. First, we have to got the sweet coconut sticky rice. We have got the salt coconut sauce and crispy mung bean, which are going on top, and then finally, of course, mango. First, deal with the rice. We have to soak the rice, but before we soak it, we have to give it for a really good washing. Just want to rinse it well with the cold water a few times, and this will wash away excess starch. That will prevent the rice from becoming gummy when it's done. And the first rinse will be the water be very cloudy and progressively the second and third rinse the water will come clear. And then I'm gonna flip directly for my rice into the bowl. The coconut milk need to be really hot and sticky rice also need to be really hot too. I recommend to do this when it's really hot because it's easier that way to make the sticky rice is not too stick, and then just stir together. And now I know it looks soupy now, but giving a few minutes and all liquid will be absorbed into the rice. You want to start and make sure that is no crumb of rice to prevent absorption and avoid with the cover, and we'll let this for later. We are going to flip our rice over and see how its rice content all the liquid is mostly being absorbed. Now we are trying to do get all rice that was easier at the bottom to the top, and then cover it about So in the meanwhile, rest is work for coconut sauce. I add coconut milk and add a little bit of sugar, about tablespoon of sugar and teaspoon of cornstarch. Stir them together and add a little bit of salt, a pinch of salt. Stir them together and then we'll put in the microwave. And then put the mango into the one side of plate and take with the mango sticky rice. One is a normal, it's basic, the sticky rice, and other one is make like a roast mango. So before we serve, I just put my coconut cream sauce on the top. and then you can cut into the thin piece. You can then go and play with this a sort of way and be creating by your own style. So put the sticky rice on the bottom of the my Facebook and my YouTube channel, and see you next time.